Hello everyone, myself Dr. Atrey De, Assistant Professor in Department of Zoology at Banwarilal Bhalotia College, Asansol, West Bengal. Today I am going to discuss about the topic teratogenesis, causes of congenital abnormalities. Teratogens are agents that can cause congenital defects or increase the chance of occurring the congenital defects. Basically, teratogens are the agents that cause permanent alteration of structure and function in an organism that are exposed during embryonic or fetal life. So, before entering the main topic, we should know about some terms like what is teros? Teros means monster. Teratology is a branch of science that deals with the mechanism and pattern of abnormal development. Teratogenicity is the induction of malformation by teratogen. Teratogenesis is the process by which congenital malformations are produced in an embryo or fetus. Now, we should know what is congenital anomaly. Congenital anomalies are basically known as birth defects. Congenital disorders or congenital malformations are also the same terms for the congenital anomalies. So, it can be defined as the structural or functional anomalies. For example, there might be some metabolic disorders, there might be some structural disorders that occur during intrauterine life and can be identified prenatally at birth. Sometimes it may only be detected later in infancy, such as hearing defects. So basically, there are many factors that have been linked to causing teratogenesis. Basically, there are several agents involved in teratogenesis, such as chemical agents, that may be medical drugs, for example, thalidomide, retinoic acid. There are also some recreational drugs like alcohol, cocaine. There are some environmental toxins like heavy metals, cadmium, environmental pollutants like pesticides. Heavy metals, in case of heavy metals, apart from cadmium, mercuries are also considered. Infectious agents like rubella, Zika. Apart from rubella, Zika, there are also some other viruses like toxoplasmosis. Physical effect restraints or in utero damage, for example due to oligohydramines, where the amniotic fluid is lost, causing the fetus to be restrained, and clubfoot may result due to this. So in the structure we can see that clubfoot disease may occur as a result of the effect of teratogens. This is the feet of a normal baby and this is a feet of a clubfoot disease. Sometimes what happens, amnion might be ruptured in some accidental reason. So amniotic fluids get inserted in different parts of the organs of the fetus and cause amniotic band syndromes. For this reason, sometimes the feet of the fetus might not be developed normally. There is an abnormal development of the feet. Therefore, teratogens are classified as physical, infectious, and chemical. Now, physical teratogens are the agents that come from the external environment. So, physically, the external environmental factors might affect physically the mother to be, and this can harm the developing fetus. For example, in case of X-rays, if the mother to be comes across or exposed by the X-rays, then the fetus might have slow growth. There are some developmental disabilities. Sometimes they might develop possible cancers later in life. Hypothermia means if the mother to be undergoes or suffering from a fever or undergoes prolonged exposure to extreme heat source, or she is having heavy exercise, it is not good for her. It might cause hypothermia. Due to hypothermia, the baby might develop neural tube defect like spina bifida. Chemical teratogens, which I have already discussed previously. There are various chemical agents that act like chemical teratogens, like drugs. Drugs might be in prescription form or might be in illegal form. Alcohol, food additives, environmental chemicals, pollutants. Infectious teratogens are the viruses that infect the mother, and it might infect and damage the development of the fetus. There are several viruses like toxoplasmin, Zika, rubella, cytomegalovirus, herpes, but yet there is no evidence, research evidence about the coronavirus acting as an infectious teratogen. So, as an effect of infectious teratogen, the baby may born blind, deaf. She or he may develop mental retardedness or heart defects. Chemical teratogens may cause premature labor, placental abnormalities, fetal alcohol syndrome, low birth weight, eye and heart defects. So, in the picture, we can observe that during the different developmental stages, here is a graphical representation in which stage which organs are basically affected by the teratogen agents. This is a picture of a baby having fetal alcohol syndrome. Basically, when the mother to be is addicted with the alcohol, then the fetus may develop the fetal alcohol syndrome, as a result of which the baby might be mentally retarded. He or she may develop a small head, small eye openings, short nose, thin upper lips. Sometimes, due to some physical factors, there might be a structural deformities of placenta. Here we can see there are various structural deformities of the placenta. Thank you for listening to me. Thanks for your patience.